Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is Ram's weight is 140% of Manu's weight. Tanu's weight is 90% of Mahesh's weight. And Mahesh's weight twice as much as Manu. What percentage of Ram's weight is Tanu's weight? So we have to find out the percentage of Ram's weight with the Tanu's weight. But unfortunately, we are not having a single person's weight in it. So the data which has been given in the question are try out to tackle these data. So here it says in the first part that Ram's weight is 140% of Manu's weight. So here let's suppose I am taking that this is for Ram. So R represent Ram and this is how much? Ram's weight is 140%. So this represent the persons. So divided by 100 meaning that 140% of who? Of Manu. So I have taken for Manu that is M. So this, what does this say? This says that Ram's weight is 140% of Manu's weight. So this is the, let's suppose this is the first part. And in the second part, it says that Tanu's weight is. So here we take for Tanu that is T. I am taking these alphabets because it will be very easy for you to understand and to know each one's names and alphabets. And Tanu is how much? 90%. So 90% we write just like this of Mahesh. So this is Manu and here again Mahesh. So here for Mahesh we write M-A. So M-A let's suppose represent Mahesh and only the M you can take as Manu. So this is the second part. And in the third part, it says that Mahesh's weights twice as much as Manu. So this says that Mahesh MA, which I have taken for Mahesh, is equal to twice. So these two represent the twice of Manu's weight. So this is, let's suppose we have taken that is number third. Now no one's real weight is given. So here the first thing which will be very easy for you, you have to suppose only one's weight. So here in the final we are having that is Manu. So let's we take that, let Manu's weight be that is 100 kg. So we have just taken only 1% weight and that is for Manu. We have supposed that is 100 kg. And now if we have taken Manu as 100, so it will be very easy to find out the Mahesh's weight. So from the third. So I am taking here equation number third. Mahesh is equal to twice as the Manu. So here Mahesh's weight will be 2 multiplied by an M. For Manu we have taken that is 100 kg and we put the kg of Manu and this becomes that is MA is equal to 200 kg. So this we have taken, we have found out now the Mahesh's weight and Mahesh's weight has been found out. And now for Tanu, because we have to make a comparison between Ram's weight and Tanu's weight. So for this we have to find out each one's weight. And now Tanu's weight. So how much will be Tanu's weight? So we are having equation number 2 that is Tanu is equal to 90% of Mahesh, and now we are having as well as the weight for Mahesh. So putting the value of Mahesh's weight, T is equal to 90%, so this is 90, sorry, multiply, and Mahesh weight we have found out that is 200. So here 0 0 we cancel out, and here we get Tanu's weight, that is 180 kg. 2 multiplied by 90, that is how much? 180. So this is now the weight for Tanu's. You can see it, Tanu's weight. And now further, to find out Ram's weight, and Ram's weight will be, now what will be the Ram's weight? Now Ram's weight, so how much is Ram's? From equation number 1 we have taken, that is Ram is how much? 140% of Manu's, and we are having as well as the weight for Manu, and that we have supposed that Manu's weight, that is 100. So this becomes, that is 140 divided by 100, and the weight of Manu, and that is we have just taken, that is 100. So 100 cancels out, and Ram's weight now we have found, that is only 140 kg. So now we are having each one's weight. And now if you take a look in the question, so it says that what percentage of Ram's weight is Tanu's weight. Now finally, so we have taken now percentage of Ram's weight to Tanu's weight, and this is the thing which we have to find out. So here we take that this is, let's suppose, Ram divided by Tanu, and we have to find out it in percentage. So we write here 100, and this becomes, that is Ram we are having, that is 140 divided by, and what was Tanu's age? Tanu's age we have found, that is 180. So this becomes 180. So 0 0 we cancel out, and 2 sevens are, and here also we are having 100, so we put 100. So here 2 sevens are, that is 14, and 2 nines are, that is 18. So we have now what? So 7 multiplied by 100, that is 700 divided by this 9, and what will be the percentage? So this will becomes, that is dividing 9 ones are, and 9, 77.7. So 77.7, and this is approximately equal to 78%, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.